Another day here at Fab. We got this 2012 Chevy 2500 Duramax in the day. Customers complaining about the ride quality, so they brought in some upper control arms. We're gonna modify them things today, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Quick run through what we're gonna do here. Got the truck jacked up on jack stands. Factory upper control arms on currently, but he brought in some Freedom off-road uppers. I'm not really sure the specs on these, but this is what he brought. I'm gonna install for them. But yeah, four-wheel drive. Obviously, we're gonna go through the first few steps. Take the wheel off. Once we take the wheel off, we're gonna proceed to do everything else as follows. 18mm ratchet wrench. You don't need that. We're gonna ratchet it off. I worked on this truck a year ago. My mark's still here. Yeah. Take the nut off. Need a mallet. Knock your upper control arm off. As so. Remove that pin. Let's get the plate out of here. Actually, you could probably leave that. Do the same on the opposite side. Just remember to set the plates to the side when you pull them out. Remember what direction they go in. Somewhat important. Remove the arm at this point. Factory versus aftermarket. Factory, aftermarket. So we're gonna reinsert the arm back into the slots. Start the pins. Three-quarter inch. We'll get her started, and then we're gonna go back and tighten up the control arm. Let's see if we can fix this. This was already hanging. All right, ladies and gents, we have finished cleaning up this Duramax and had a detail. So I'll let you guys see the final product with the clean detail. Once again, we put the freedom off-road control arms on here. Done. Turned out pretty clean. So I think that'll do it for this one, folks. Stay tuned for the next build. So we got, like and subscribe, wanted_fab, Instagram wanted__fab, and check us out on Facebook. Later, guys.